Here's John Davis. He's in sales. Like all employees now, he'd like to know he has career options in his current company and, importantly, what he can do to make them a reality. His HR team are keen to keep him engaged and have given him an online tool, Talent Navigator, that he can use to explore different career options and find out more about alternative roles. As a new user, his dashboard is empty. No saved roles, no identified gaps, and so on. So, to get started, John should search for different roles and find out more about them. If he was interested in project management, he could put just a part of a job title. Here, the tool has returned a project manager role and shows some information about it. He can look at how his own skills compare with this role. The percentage shown here demonstrates how close he is now. He can look at this in much more detail if he wishes to. For now, he can just mark it as a favorite to save it for later. If John was interested in finding roles in marketing, he can select Marketing and search again. Here he can see some marketing roles. He thinks Marketing Director sounds interesting, so we'll also save that as a favorite. Other features are available. He could look for roles at a certain position within the organization, such as a head of, or if certain roles are only present in particular locations. So, to kickstart John's career thinking, he has a simple yet powerful tool to find out more about his options and his fit. Now that he's done this, his dashboard has changed. It is now showing his favorite roles together with an overall match for each. And it is also showing the most common skills gaps he has based on the choices he has made so far. The tool is also showing which skills gaps are the biggest or most significant. This means he can prioritize his learning and development to either cover the most commonly occurring skills gaps or choose to work on those skills gaps that are the biggest. In this example, John can see that influencing others and managing change are both the most common gaps and greatest skill gaps. To help John know what he can do next, he can select any of the charts to see what learning and development he can undertake to help close those gaps and realize his ambitions. So in this example, the marketing director role he has favorited is suggesting these development activities to build his influencing others skills. He can then add any of these to his development plan for discussion with his manager, career mentor, or coach. This is a quick way to bring your role profiles to life and provide a simple mechanism for employees to explore alternatives and identify action they can take to advance themselves. However, Talent Navigator doesn't stop there. Find out how you can enable employees to create multiple career pathways step by step, or even a Get Me There by choosing a high-level career aspiration and use career lattices. You could even use Talent Navigator within a department or function to help progress people through recommended career paths. That's career planning using Talent Navigator. Easy, interactive, and informative.